So I found these vinyl pull patch repair kits at Home Depot. I ended up buying 3 of them. The piece of plastic measures 2 feet long by 6 inches tall. So you get that, you get the adhesive and something to spread it with. And these were about $5 a piece. So I had a 48-inch tear in my inflatable Santa. So I ended up getting the 3 just to double side around that loop point on it, and then this to cover up the remaining tear in it. So what I've done so far is I've taken 2 of the plastic strips. There's one on the back side that I glued on and blow dried, and then I cut a slit on this top one to run the loop through. I'm going to double side this part just because that's where it tore and there's a lot of pressure on this loop here. Okay, I think I've completed the repair. On this left side, there was about 12 inches of the tear left. I didn't double side this part. I did put like duct tape behind it, just kind of hold it together some. But I put that on there and I made sure I pulled up on this a few times just so the glue doesn't soak through and like glue itself to like the other part of the Santa's shoe. I think I might cover the edges with more Gorilla Glue just to be safe, but I don't think it's necessary. I'll probably blow this up tonight, let this glue set some more and see how it holds together. Here's a better view of the repair. It looks like it's holding all right. Feels pretty airtight. With this, you don't need it to be 100% airtight just because how much air this fan puts out.